65, contact Victoria, 133.5, good day.
295, Jazz, 65, good day.
Runway 26 left, altimeter is 3032. Taxi Airways.
Hotel uniform tower, today fly down approach runway 13, then east between the parallels and hold short of runway 26.
Expect runway 26 right.
Tower wind 240 and 330 land runway 26.
3033, taxi via Juliet Charlie, Juliet, hold short Lima, contact ground 1217.
China Eastern 597, contact Vancouver Tower 11955.
49955, China Eastern 597.
Yes.
China Eastern 597, heavy Vancouver Tower, clear to land runway 26 right. China Eastern 597, Vancouver Tower, clear to land runway 26 right.
I'll turn right heading 170.
Vancouver Tower, the wind is calm. Number 2, following heavy Airbus 330 on short final, caution for wake turbulence, clear to land runway 26 right. As dash 8 under tow, going into Echo ahead of you. After them, continue Delta, hold short Delta 2. Traffic will be a cargo jet 57, pushing onto Delta for startup. Caution jet loss.
Reference to dash 8, Delta short Delta, Delta short Delta short.
Delta 73, switch it please.
535, turn right heading 230, clear ILS approach runway 26 right.
Ground runway 26 left, altimeter is 3033, taxi turbine. China Eastern 597, tower remain on this frequency, taxi via Mike and Papa to the April.
Mike, Papa to the airport, remain on this frequency, China Eastern 597.
Traffic caution. The Air Canada Taxi Hotel, hold short Golf. No, just you can give me a call prior to penetrating. Lima, Juliet, hold short Juliet Charlie. Once you're on Juliet, contact ground 12715.
And a 997, descend unrestricted 5,000.
Proceed by Juliet, Mike, and Tango to the apron.
Juliet Mike Tango to the apron, guys.
Roger.
Canada 854, turn right, heading 330.
Turn heading 330, Canada 854.
Canada 854, proceed direct bid, reinforce.
Roger, 79 taxi 38. 79 ground, runway 26 left.
So 119, proceed direct taxi down. Goodbye, stand for 119.
One 20 permanent, 1187 today.
Which is 011, contact Vancouver Tower 1187. 5, good day.
Give it 201.
They don't have Vasco 615 with you, go on for the whole 100 ground 2000. Vasco 615, Vancouver departure identified, climb 16,000. 641 Vasco 615. Good evening, Vince Collins to Land, runway 265. 7 with 20, fly. Quick, Roger, 618, rear start.
Chad 618.
Tower, Sir Canada 569, approach runway 26 right.
569 Vancouver Tower, number 2, following heavy Airbus 330 on short final. Caution for wake turbulence, go to land runway 26 right.
Right, you're Canada.
China 997 Tower, remain on this frequency. Taxi via Mike, Juliet, and Juliet Alpha to the airport.
Juliet 36, Mike, Juliet, Alpha, sorry, I guess you missed my call. The line up for me 26 left to Delta 7. Thanks. Departure WestJet 136 with you 2,000%. 2136 Vancouver departure identified, climb 16,000. 16,000, WestJet 136. 26 left.
United 37 is going to taxi in front of you. Caution jet blast behind them. Continue down Delta to Delta 7. 0.
Turn 080, okay, 296.
We'll follow you, and the other one will also be holding short, waiting for you to go by. To right.
230, cleared visual approach 26 right.
Altimeter is 3032 behind Rouge, taxi Echo Delta Delta 7. Horizon 2239, the WestJet Q400 will be turning out onto Delta ahead of you. Behind them, continue the taxi now Delta to Delta 7.
Heavy, make Bravo to Mike, landing 26 right, C direct, 2 direct. Canada 343, C to 10. Airbus 5684, stay to 160, contact Bank to Tower 195. Excellent. Since your channel's being in by Alpha to the southeastern, just longer ground, he knows that you're checking in.
135, taxi Hotel Delta.
432 heavy ground. Quick land only 26 right.
26 right, got the 36.
Aircan 343, Vancouver Tower, number 2, following an Embraer 2 miles, quarter line on my 26 right. That is 890, we're off on Mike 4839.
676, traffic is an Air Canada 320, they'll be taxiing southbound behind you. They should pass in a minute or so, push your discretion.
For a company, we're just pushing off the gate now. Okay, Mike Juliet, we check the flight as Departure Jazz 10, and 1.47,000, Georgia 5.
Yeah, GT4, sure, leave attack.
Hotel, Juliet, Tower Roger, and fly the approach runway 13 threshold, runway 13, track eastbound between the parallels and further for you by the control tower. Altitude, your discretion. 32, flight discretion.
And 224.
Descend, caution, Aircan 225, clear ILS runway 26 right, got a Connect 4 arrival, but no speed restrictions.
Clear zone below 1,200 feet. Take it on high speed over, next one. Left base, we'll talk about that on 7.5. 7, back, Vancouver departure, identifying climb to 16,000.
Three new altitude restrictions, descend 6,000.
Aircan 225, exit left, Mike 6, contact ground 1.